guys. I know, it's been a while. And wanna please don't don't cuss me off. Please, I'm please don't cuss me off. Hi. How are you guys doing? I'm Shami and you guys, I didn't expect to be sitting here tonight doing this video. I don't even have a setup. I am just here against this white wall in Suan's filming room because nothing is working in my favor. So I haven't been really thinking about this. This past week, it's been popping in and out of my head, and I was just kind of ignoring it. But today, I don't know, I thought about it, and something in my gut just told me to just do it, and I felt so excited about it, and there was no one pressuring me to do it, to come back, and I just decided that I'm going to make my return video tonight. I have no camera, no backdrop setup. I had no video idea. I just literally went on my Instagram and asked you guys to send me some questions, and I shortlisted a couple. So I'm sorry if you missed it. I'm doing it the same night that I asked you guys. Ooh, oh well. Yes, so I didn't plan to do this, but I'm here, and if you guys should know anything about me, I'm a very stubborn person, and I normally won't do things if somebody tells me to do it. So this had to really come from a place of me wanting to do it and not me being asked or pressure into it. So I'm here and I'm gonna give you guys a little life update about what has happened since the last video. What was the last video? I think it was a Popeyes mukbang. My title just feel like if exit the chat, like, excuse. So as I was saying, I asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, and I got good amount, but like some of them were repetitive, so I just got listed to 13. But before I answer the questions, I just want to give you guys a little update about what has happened to me since about little changes, I should say, since my last video. So first one is I got a tattoo. I have a little, most of you guys probably have seen it on Swan's vlog channel before. If you haven't, I now have a tattoo. I have a nose piercing. I bleached my hair. I am in college. Yeah, those are the major stuff. Yeah. So let me just go on into the questions. I had to write it down in my book, as I said, because I had no plans of doing this tonight. Swan isn't here. The camera is here, but there's no SD card, so I have to be using my phone because it's on my phone, and I have to be using my phone to record this right now. So I wrote it on my book to answer. Yeah. Let's get into the questions. So the first question is, how old are you now? I am 19 years old. I'm gonna be 20 this year, and that's kind of the last time you guys saw me. I was probably, how old is it? I don't remember. I'm not good with math. I'm not going to try and calculate it right now. Yeah. So the second question is, do you plan to start a family, and how many kids would you like to have? Yes, I would love to start a family, not anytime soon. I'm only 19 months. How many kids? I used to say 2, but I've seen some birthing videos and I've changed my mind to one. It looks painful. Listen, it looks painful. So, one, what app do I use to edit my pictures? I use Facetune 2. I don't really do much. I just like scroll to the edit part and just brighten up the pictures, and yeah, that's it. Somebody asked what happened to my industrial piercing. Why did I stop wearing it? So I think I've spoken about this before, and I stopped wearing it because I had gotten an infection. I got the piercing over the summer, and when it was time to go back to school, like I was trying to take it out the night before orientation, and I just couldn't. It was just too painful. And I had these big bumps on my ears, but I thought it was just a part of the healing process or whatever. And I had to hide it. I had to comb my hair in a way to hide it. Was it this year? I think it was this year. Yeah, and then after orientation that day, I had went to have a treat to let the person take it out. Turns out she wasn't there, so I had to go to another piercer. And he took it off for me, and it was very, 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 very painful. And yeah, I had to go to the doctor, spend $5,000 on medication. It was a mess. So I just let it stay. I don't even want to try that again. Yeah, 5,000 GMB, that is. Somebody asked me my gym size and do I ever see myself being a gym person. I think my gym size on Fashion Week is like 3. Yeah, I think it's 3. And do I ever see myself being a gym person? Again, the gym was something that I kind of, I don't know, I wasn't fully there when I was similar to YouTube. I don't know. If or when I go back to the gym, I want it to be 100% my decision, just like how me sitting here doing this right now is 100% my decision. And right now, I feel like so excited doing this and a bit nervous because I don't know how you guys are going to take me back. But if I do return to the gym, I want it to be like me saying, I am going to the gym tomorrow. I'm going to lift weights tomorrow. That's the only way I will, perform to the best of my ability. If that makes sense. Because I'm very stubborn. I'm very, very, very stubborn. Y'all don't even know the half. I do things when I please. Anywho, next question. Where do I see myself in the next 2 years? In the next 2 years, I'll be what, 21? I don't know. I honestly don't know, and I don't know. I don't want to think about it. I don't know. How do I study? Alright, you see, personally for me, studying is a big issue. Like during high school, I used to procrastinate a lot, and I still somehow ended up passing my exams, and I ended up passing CNC and all of that through procrastination, and that has kicked my ass in college. Alright, you see right now, I just want to have a moment of silence for all the people that are in college. Guys, I know it's not easy. I'm barely holding on. Honestly, I'm barely holding on. Anybody who drop out of college, like, I don't know if make them skin away because it's not easy. It is. The other day someone was like, oh, you should just go back for your master's. I was like, girl, once I get that degree, I'm done. Nobody now make me go back this off. No, after. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. How do I keep my bleached hair healthy? I really don't know because I don't keep up with it at all. But it's holding on. I don't know. It's holding on, and that's another thing I should address. Like how I was previously doing like hair videos on my channel here, that won't be happening. I can do a one-off or so, but the dedicated hair videos, I can't do it. This is my own hairstyle for like 2 years now. I'm sorry guys, like I can't do it, and that's what was kind of busting my ass because I couldn't think of any more natural hairstyles. So yeah, I won't be doing no more hair videos like that. If y'all got money, you can get 1 or 2, but not like 10. What do I love the most about my sister? So for those of you who might not know me and my sister's relationship, that's petite. Divinity or Petite Essence. I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, I'm going to put the name up here because I don't know how this video going to edit, and I don't know if I'm going to have the so what do I love the most about my sister? I really love that she's such a caring and sweet soul. She's so kind. Like, she will give and give and give until she has nothing left, and sometimes it's not a good thing, but that's what I love. She's so innocent. Like she's a little kid. She's so innocent. Somebody says, because I asked on my Instagram, I put in the little ask question thing that I think I made a decision. Ask me some questions here. Somebody says, what decision have you made? And you're finding out right now. This is the decision. This is the decision that I am coming back. I'm coming back. And it's my decision this time. So, yeah. How do you manage being so glamorous yet so down to earth? When I saw the question, I was kind of confused because does it mean that when someone looks good that they're fake? Because that's what I took from it. I am just a naturally very goofy, jovial person to some extent. Like, if you see me on the road, my face will be like, but I don't mean nothing by it. That's just me. That's just my, you know. But I don't know. How do you manage being so dominant for it? I don't think it has. I'm just me. I'm just me. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm just me. Next question is, are you single? No, I'm not. I'm not single. Why don't you start your own channel? Well, baby, I already have my channel. I've just abandoned you guys for so long, and I'm so sorry. And I'm so excited about it this time that, you know, I feel like we have a future together, and I feel like I got so tired of the videos that I was doing just because it wasn't expressing me. Like, I don't like to comb my hair. Anyway, anybody can tell you that I really don't like combing my hair, and it was always sit down, put on a backdrop, and talk. And I don't like talking either. That's another thing. I don't like combing my hair and I don't like talking, and it just got to me, and I just stopped when I got I had other things doing because exams were coming up and I was studying for that, and so I was just like, but I want to express more of my true self this time. You get me? So you guys can expect weekly videos from me. I'll try to post on a Wednesday because who posts on a Wednesday? Nothing happens on a Wednesday. What do you have to watch on a Wednesday? You don't have me to watch on a Wednesday. So I'll try to post every Wednesday. Yeah. I'll be trying to do some fun interactive videos. So you guys can tell me down below as well what videos you would like to see from me and who you like to see on my channel, because I'm open to, I'm open. So I'm back, and I hope you guys accept me being back, and I hope you guys accept the struggles that I went through to come right here and do this video when the room was against me and I had no SD card for the camera. And yeah, I am back. I hope this quality is okay. Hopefully my next video will be on a camera. Hopefully this quality is okay. Yeah, that's that for my little life update for you guys. Yeah. I hope I covered the major things. Please don't free my fingernail and nail them want to soak off. And I should do that, but lazy. Yeah, so I'll try to get you guys a new video every Wednesday, and until then, bye. I'm not gonna say bye because I said bye before and it was like a year and a half, 2 years. So see you guys later. See you guys in my next video, guys.